Hey everybody, I've got some exciting news that I want to show you. Now, stick with me till the end because if you've been caught in the camp of should you use the Skool membership or if you're a Go High Level / High Level user, should you use that membership for your people? Let me tell you, I've done a video in the past. You can search on my channel that does a comparison of both of these platforms. Quite honestly, they both have some good and bad features. Not bad, but you know what I mean. Some are better than the other. But let me tell you, stick with me because HighLevel is really pushing. They want to be your #1 platform. And if you're using HighLevel or a white labeled version, maybe you're using Funnel Gorgeous or some of the other white label versions out there, it is hands down the best all-in-one marketing software out there. So that's what was holding me back with Skool. I love the Skool platform, very easy to set up, but it's only one piece of your business. If you still need the landing pages and you're running workshops and webinars and you want to actually sell other things and create the courses, the whole 9 yards, I didn't want to pay for another tool, and I didn't want another place that I had to set up and worry and duct tape and all that kind of stuff. So I tell you what, HighLevel has really upped their game. So follow along with me. I want to show you two features that are very powerful. So let me share my screen here. I am inside of one of my memberships. This is my AI Digital Business Academy. We just have the best time in here. If you need some help, support, growing your business, and you're really serious about using AI to simplify your business, you should join us. Now, again, this is going to look very similar to what you're seeing in Skool. Along the left side here are the different channels or discussion areas. So you can have unlimited here, name them whatever you want, okay? And then up at the top here, very familiar again, the discussion, whatever channel you happen to click or discussion thread, then that's what you're going to see along here. Along the top, if you click on learning, then these are all the courses that you can connect to your specific memberships. So you can sell courses on their own, standalone inside of HighLevel, but then you can also attach them to different memberships. And the beautiful thing is you can have unlimited memberships all for the same monthly price that you're paying for the whole kit and caboodle. So I love that. Events, click on that. This is very similar to what we see in Skool. You can schedule the events and send out the information to your members. Leadership board, it shows you where people are at, members, and so forth. So let's come back here to the discussion. I'm going to click over here on the left to announcements just because that's where I want this to go. And now right up here at the top, I could just type a regular announcement, but look at this button, Go Live. So I'm going to click on this. This is kind of a meta of the meta, me showing you, doing a video, showing you that I'm going to do a live video. So we're going to set this up. Over here to the left, where do I want this to go? It's going to go into the announcements. I'm actually going to go live right now. I can turn on my camera and my microphone. So I'm going to do that. And here is my camera. And then let's click on the microphone and it should be good to go. Now, down here at the bottom, the meeting room is just similar to like if you had the Zoom meeting room. If you're more sophisticated and you're using some streaming software, this is where you would set that up. Then over here to the right side, we just have to give it a title and description. So I'm just going to say testing out the Go Live feature. And I'm just going to put a quick description. So look how easy it is to go live without Zoom. Just press the Go Live button and start talking. Okay. And then down here, scroll down. couple of settings. I can notify members when I'm going live, keep the live stream as a post. I'm going to leave that. I've already set up my camera and my microphone. Let's see if it's going to let me go live here. And again, this meeting is being recorded. And I'm going to turn on my camera and my microphone. So here we are, the meta of the meta, testing going live here. So if we can see up here at the top, it shows me that it's being recorded, that it's live. There's only one participant. I'm sure my members are wondering, what in the world am I doing here? Down at the bottom, this is going to look very familiar to what you're used to with Zoom. You can have chat, you can have people do their reaction, raise their hand, share it, and so forth. So, I mean, it's that easy. Up here to the top right is our different views. So if I had multiple people in here, I could have a gallery view and so forth. So I'm just going to end this session. If you happen to catch this, I'm just doing some testing, okay? So I'm going to end the session. All of this looks just like Zoom, doesn't it? Okay, and here we are. So, and then it's just telling me the meeting wasn't recorded because no one enabled, because it's kind of, let me come back here just for a second. Because again, recording, no one was there except me really. But anyway, you get the idea. Super excited about this feature. Just, you know, no longer do you have to like get things set up and all that kind of stuff. You just hop into your membership, press the go live, and you are good to go. Now let me show you a couple of other things I'm super excited about. So I'm going to share the screen again. And inside the membership, over here to the right, of course, I'm an admin. If I go to my settings, there's a lot of different things that we can do inside of this. I'm just going to mention a couple of things. Over here, we've got a list of things. If I click on subscriptions, I can... I'll show you the collab in just a minute, but basically I indicate if this is a free or a paid membership. And then the next option is the newsletter feature. The default is it's turned off, but I could send out, excuse me, something daily, weekly, monthly. And what it will do, actually, let me do it weekly. What it will do is it will capture all of the activities that's happened for the week and send it out to all the members. Very powerful. Let me come back to you. You know, the key when you have a membership is you want to try to keep people engaged. And let's face it, we can't all just hang out together every single day, but you want to build that urgency that look what you're missing. So if you send out these, you know, start maybe weekly, and then you could ramp it up to every day if you want, see if it's too much for your members, but you're keeping top of mind with your members. So super powerful. Love that feature. Let me show you a couple more features here. The next item down the list is the branding. Now, you can upload your favicon, the cover image, all of that kind of stuff. If we click on the advanced, come down here, you can actually add some CSS, header code, all of that kind of stuff. So that's under the branding. Then if you go to the themes, you can modify things by either a light or a dark mode. If you wanted to put your membership in dark mode, you can customize both light and dark. You can do the custom theme. So you can set this up so that it fits your branding. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the save on that. One more thing that I want to show you, membership questions. Make sure you turn this on. So when people join your membership, what information are you interested in collecting from them? It looks like right now we can ask them 3 questions. So for me, I'm always interested in what all-in-one marketing platform are they using, if anything. I would like to know what their website is so I can help them with that. And then what's their monthly revenue goal so that I can help them get to that point. Then the next thing down the list here, the gamification. So here we can set the different levels here, and we can give them names if we want, if we just don't want to use the level 1, 2, and 3. But now here's the powerful thing. Under rewards, we can set up multiple rewards. So I set up a reward that once my members hit level 6, now that means that they have to, let me come back and talk to you just for a minute. You know that in a membership, the key is trying to keep people engaged. So for them to get level 6, they're going to have to put some time. They're going to have to comment, ask questions, reach out to people, and so forth. But I am giving my members a free coaching session. You could add other things, 10% off, hit level 2, and this course opens. Hit level 3, you get 10% off. Hit level 4, so forth. I think that this is very powerful as far as keeping people engaged in the group here. So let me just come back here. There's a few other things. You can add some links. I have a special discounted VIP coaching for my members, promotional links, all of that kind of stuff. All right. If you do have a Skool membership, easy peasy to import it in here. And discovery, we can turn the discovery on, and it will suggest a category. So I'm going to show you this in just a minute. So I can turn on discovery, and then I'm just going to save this. And then let me hop out of here. And then, excuse me, when we, let me come back over here. The screen that you're looking at is just the main HighLevel screen. And here on the left where it says membership, I click that. Up here at the top is the Go Collab Marketplace. Now, what does this mean? The collab, basically, it's the same thing that Skool is doing. Let me come back and look at you eyeball to eyeball. The biggest draw that Skool has is, you know, people have started navigating away from social media, Facebook, and then, you know, there was a whole bunch of different memberships, and then all of a sudden people had 5 different memberships that they joined. So that's what makes Skool so powerful is if everybody goes to Skool, all of your memberships are there that you belong to. You can just go to one place. Well, HighLevel is doing the same thing, and they're using this back engine, so to speak, called Go Collab. And you basically list your membership there, and then it will be found. Now, you'll notice mine is a paid membership, so they can find it, but they're going to have to pay to join if they want it. And then the Go Collab Discovery, let me just open up that screen here. Let me share my screen again. So that's what this Go Collab is. And then right here is the discovery link. So let me open that up so you can see it. And then you can search for communities, courses. So you can sell your courses right on here, or you can have free courses right on here. All right. And I don't know if you remember, but it suggested for me that entrepreneurship is the best category. So I could do a quick search and look for mine. So if I was promoting it, and again, the more the membership builds up, the higher the chain it's going to be. So then people will be able to find me there. All right, so let me come back here and look at you. So just a super quick recap. It's neck and neck between these two platforms. Who's going to win, Skool or HighLevel? Again, they're both great platforms, but if you're already using HighLevel, I really encourage you to try out the membership here. Turn on the bells and whistles. Take advantage of going live just by clicking that little button and going. Make sure that you have it set up where you're asking those questions so you can gather some more data about the people that's using it. You can brand it however you want. And then turn on the gamification and give your people some rewards based on what they're doing in your group. So super powerful. Let me know if you are a high level, or some people say Go High Level, GHL, Funnel Gorgeous, whatever white label program you're using. Let me know if you're using that platform. Have you started using memberships, and what do you like best? If you haven't started using it, then I'll put my link below. Make sure that you get my my affiliate link, where you can actually have a trial run of the whole platform for 14 days or 30 days. I'm not for sure which one's going to come up for you. And if you want help, hands-on help and support, then you should join Digital Business Academy, because we have a blast and I am there in your back pocket helping you along the way. Doesn't matter who you're using for your all-in-one platform. Let's grow your business together. All right, thanks for watching. As always, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.